Hello students, today we are going to start our mains course book standard 5th subject ES chapter number 8 science of kitchen. So we take salads, pulses, fruit, vegetable and as a food we get energy from food. So different region have different varieties of food. You also eat food, variety of food, different types of fruit, vegetable, pulses, salads, etc. We prepare food either by boiling, roasting, frying and deep frying. So other method, different method we cook food. So many food item can be eaten. In raw form there are varieties of eat our food. We eat some food cook and some in raw. So good and nutrition food is necessary for the growth of our body, for strong and healthy body. It is necessary to have knowledge of किचन. हमें आवश्यकता है कि हमें किचन के बारे में जानकारी हो. इट इज इंक्लूड वेरियस स्पाइसेस यूज्ड इन द किचन. बहुत सारी ऐसी स्पाइसेस होती है जो हम किचन में यूज करते हैं. सो योर पेज नंबर 62 सी पिक्चर given one picture and there are picture of kitchen and many utensils in cupboard and mother is cooked food and first row steel boxes means tin and downside kept jar in spices. So here are some question from picture. So what is seen in the picture? पिक्चर में क्या दिखाई दे रहा है, क्या क्या चीज है पिक्चर में? दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ किचन एंड मदर कुक्ड फूड. सो मदर कुक्ड इन फूड इन द किचन एंड विच स्पाइसेस आर सीन इन द किचन? सो इन कबोर्ड मेनी जार्स देयर. सो which spices in there in the jar? So salt, turmeric, chili, sugar, coriander, cumin powder, etc. in the kitchen. And next question, what is being cooked in the pressure cooker? In the pressure cooker what cooked? क्या cooked हो रहा होगा? So maybe, I think, you think. So khichdi, rice, dal, etc. we can cooked in the pressure cooker. May be cooked in the pressure cooker. So student, you understanding this picture and what is in the picture, seen in the picture, and mother, what do mother and which spices in the kitchen. Now there is a boy. His name is Mahesh. So Mahesh is every day he asks for spicy food and after eating such spicy food we started having problem in the stomach. And one day Mahesh was in the school. All students were playing. His stomach started paining. So his pain increased gradually. He was taken to the hospital. So in the school, Mahesh's stomach was started paining. So here are question of in school of Mahesh stomach paining. So why was Mahesh's stomach paining? So Mahesh had habit of eating spicy food, fried food daily. वो everyday spicy and fried food खाता था. So started his stomach was paining. Second, what would the doctor have said to Mahesh? So the doctor has said to Mahesh that don't eat such spicy food and fried food and give him medicine. डॉक्टर ने उसे स्पाइसी फूड खाने को मना किया और क्या दिया? मेडिसिन. What will Mahesh do now? अब महेश क्या करेगा? Now Mahesh don't eat spicy and fried food. Now here are one girl. There is girl Varsha. She study in standard 5. She loves eating outside food like burger, pizza and etc. She eats uncovered and stall food from vendors. And Varsha does this daily. Varsha does not like eating at home. Every day Varsha goes to hotels, restaurant and vendor. She eats whatever she likes. मतलब जो उसको पसंद होता वही खाती. So here are question of Varsha. What of different food items she must be eating from the vendor? So what did the Varsha? Different food items she must be eating from the vendor. She eat uncovered food and stall food from vendor and pani puri, samosa, etc. Now, why does Varsha eat stale and outside food? Varsha eat stale and outside food because she does not like eating at home. वो घर पर खाना नहीं खाती थी. So, eat stale and outside food. What would have happened to Varsha after eating outside food? After eating outside food, Varsha become sick. वो क्या होती थी? बीमार हो जाती थी. Now, what would have happened to Varsha? We have learned that why happened stale fried food and spicy food is harmful for our body. जो ब्रांडेड फूड है, स्टैग फूड है, वो हमारी बॉडी को हार्मफुल होते हैं. वी मस्ट टू फेस माइनर मेजर डिसीज. हेल्थ इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ and you eat varieties of food. There are various methods to prepare food like boiling, roasting and frying, deep frying, etc. Now in your book details of food. So some food are how to we eat. So khichdi is our boiling food. रोटली we eat roasting. हम उसको रोस्ट करते हैं. पूरी is and deep fry. हम उसको deep fry करेंगे. And rice and dal cook boiling method. We cooked boiling method. Dhokla also boiling method. Now, what advantage of using solar cooker? Now, advantage of solar cooker. So, the food and health are also are related to method of cooking. Raw food roasted or boiled or low temperature is considered to be the best. Avoid using a utensil made of plastic and aluminum for cooking or the eating food. Sunlight gives us constant and free of charge energy. So cooker cookers are available for cooking food using this energy. Such cookers are called solar cooker. So what is solar cooker? So solar cookers cooks free of charge our food. Now advantage of using solar cooker. So high performance, no use fuel, eco-friendly and one-time investment. The food tastes are not same. We enjoy food due to differences in the taste and aroma in the food. Which different tastes have you experienced? Now sugar is sweet, fenugreek, bitter, lemon, sour, salt, salty. So we eat a different taste of food. Many spices are used to prepare food in the kitchen. Salt, chili, turmeric, cumin, mustard, jaggery, turmeric, etc. are among these spices. Such components are very important for our health. So there is some scientific approaches related to each of these components of the kitchen. This information is very important to us. Now let's identify spices based on the taste. 6 tastes don't include my name. 8 no taste without me in my tall claim. Jaggery, sugar cube, sugar cane and naturally ripened fruits are sweet things. Now I am Mr. Salt. Briny taste is my fame, king of every kitchen and famous by this name. So salty taste is mainly provided by salt. Do you know? The food is the tastiest without it. During fever, the cloth soaked in the salty water is kept on the form to reduce fever. A thought for me, sizzles your tongue and look how mouth water, sweet and sour is my tasty, yummy juices one loves and slappers. Sour juices are optional, obtained from lemon, tomato and orange, turmeric, kokum, amla, raw mango, etc. So taste help us to digestion of food and you must have to drink buttermilk after having meals. Buttermilk is beneficial for digestion of food. Green and red are my color. What is this food? Green and red my color. I am known as chili. मेरा कलर रेड एंड मतलब ग्रीन है और नोन एज चिली. कीपिंग योर टंग सिंगिंगी स्पाइसी टंगी और माई एबिलिटी. स्पाइसी टेस्ट इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम चिली एंड मस्टर्ड, ब्लैक पेपर, जिंजर, अजवाइन, गार्लिक, clove, white pepper, etc. Spicy kills harmful organism, secretes digestive juice, and but too much of spicy food is harmful. No one love me as I taste plum and crust. Help rid of cough and bad tasting mucus. I am the best. Turmeric, pulses, mango seed, etc. have spiked me out, but when sick, gulp and gobble. Know my virtues for healthy life. Bitter taste is noble. Bitter taste is obtained from fenugreek, bitter gourd, etc. The name is also bitter is taste. The bitter juice activates our hunger. It helps to keep our body disease free. Now we have acquired introduction about some of the kitchen spices. Introduce any one component or spices of the kitchen to your friend. Identify the thing brought by other friends. Now some components are of kitchen: turmeric, salt, sugar, chili, fenugreek and coriander. Now color of the turmeric yellow, salt white, sugar white, chili red, fenugreek yellow, coriander brownish color. So students, you understanding the science of the kitchen. आपके किचन में ही साइंस है. इन ऑल स्पाइसेस और वी यूज़ इन द मेडिसिन के तौर पे हम उन्हें यूज़ करते हैं.